Well, it's Tech for Hire. I believe he's going to bore us again with his bullshit.
Hey guys and gals, it's Tech for Hire again. I wanted to do an update on the previous video I did. I have figured out what my audio problems are with my setup. So it appears you need one of these guys. This is a Pro 3.5 millimeter mic adapter. It says for the Hero GoPro 5, but it will work for the 6. What this does is actually amplify the sound of the microphone. So this works out really good. What I was originally doing is using one of these connectors, which is a, well, not that one, like this one, which is a USB-C to phono, and that does not work. It needs to be amplified. The other thing that you need to know is apparently these ridges make a huge difference. This is what they call a TRRS connector. Now for the GoPro 5 and 6, and apparently on the 3 and the 4, so it's pretty much every GoPro, even the Sessions, you need what is called a TRS connector. So just look for the 2 ridges here as opposed to the 3. Now they do have some adapters that you can get, but when I'm going to mount it on my helmet, I noticed it was sticking out too far and I didn't like the way that it looked. I'm trying out one of those microphones right now. I have one attached to my face, and hopefully you don't get all the sounds of my kids making noise in the background. But anyways, that is the update. That is what I want to give you. You will be seeing more videos from me. I will be doing my Motovlogs again once the weather is nice to me, because it's supposed to rain in the next couple days and snow up in the mountains, so I won't be riding. But keep an eye out. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, have a comment, go ahead and make one down below. Thanks again.